Heyo, good morning and welcome. Whoa, focus, go. Good morning guys, welcome back. It is bright and early on a Saturday morning. Beautiful day outside. Peter just texted me and told me they're cruising down to South OC Cars and Coffee in the GT3RS. Just rubbing a little salt in the wound because I am stuck here at the apartment waiting for FedEx to arrive. But that's okay because FedEx is bringing me some very good stuff today. You guys are gonna wanna see, so stay tuned. But first, let's make some coffee and some breakfast. It's very important. That does not, that counts, we'll take it. Second chance. Bam.
Poor guy. It's not gonna show.
I feel like I'm waiting for Santa Claus on Christmas Day or something. On top of everything good that's going on right now, and I'm stuck here, it's beautiful outside too. The weather is amazing. I'll show you guys in a bit, but gosh. I mean, this is why we pay what we pay to live in California, because the weather is absurd. Can you guys feel it? Hey! Hey, no, pretty good.
Come on.
Yes, sir.
Green.
Buddy, no.
Runner. Run.
Yes, sir. Thank you. You guys probably already have a pretty good guess on what that is in the box, but in case you don't, I'm not telling you. Let's roll. By now, we got vinyl wrap. Dude, this wrap is gonna look so awesome on the car. I'm sorry, on the truck. You guys agree? Agree or disagree? So here's sort of the goal for today. I wanna get at least the hood done, maybe the fenders. We'll see how we're working with time, but it's kind of the main goal for right now. Just kind of get a feel for how it looks in the truck. This color is so sick. Whoa! Take it easy. So excited just to make that disappear with the wrap. That's horrible looking. It's become part of the car. I don't even notice it anymore. That's a sad thing. Haters. Set you guys right here. Step numero uno. Measure. Take measurements. I'm a trained professional. Hey, take it easy over there. You settle down. Did you guys feed Freddie for lunch, man? This man's going wild. Freddie, how many Red Bulls have you had today? He's calling my name right now. You're gonna blame me? You're gonna make me open it? Oh! He went to the side door. He snuck one, so we're almost there. Getting there. Getting there. I'm breaking a sweat, guys. 80 something degrees outside today, which is odd in the first place. But we got heat guns in here going. We had to close the gate because it's windy. What? Huh? Open the gate? Yeah. You sure? Yeah. I'm not arguing that. It is toasty in here. Let's see if I can figure this out. Looks pretty straightforward. That's a little better. It's warm in here, guys. All this body heat and all these heat guns going on. Not to mention this guy's 1,000 degrees by himself. See, yeah, don't get near Danny boy. So this is the phase where we start to cut out our good work, tuck it behind the edge, and then panel number 1 is a wrap. It's a wrap. Let's pull it in the sun and see how it looks. How long are you planning to grow your hair out? And what inspired you? So you're gonna go down to your shoulders, or what are you doing?
Right here, buddy.
Really? Actually? No joke, no games.
Okay.
That is a wrap for today, but first, let me show you guys what the wrap looks like on the truck. Didn't get a whole lot done today because unfortunately I was spending the majority of my afternoon waiting for FedEx to arrive. So we only got the hood done, but at least it's enough to show you guys what the wrap is going to look like on the truck, which I think is going to look super, super sick, especially because this truck has a lot of body lines, a lot of these ridges that you don't really see as much until the satin finish hits it, and it really makes it pop. It really enhances it. I'm wrapping everything but the grill inserts, the bumper cap, the mirrors, the door handles, and the roof is gonna be staying gloss black. Tomorrow we are going to Cars and Cafe, so if you guys like supercars, definitely stay tuned for that. We'll be there bright and early tomorrow morning. I will catch you guys on tomorrow's video. Till then, peace out.